Hi everyone, welcome to day 6 of Mrs. Lamprin's reading group. Today's grammar lesson is going to be on possessive nouns. Okay? It's by Mrs. Lamprin. Let's get started. So, the first thing that we're going to talk about with possessive nouns are singular and plural. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Now, there's 2 things to know about singular nouns and there's 3 things to know about plural nouns. So the first thing is that most of your nouns that are singular are normal. Car, girl, street, kitten, and Laura. Those ones are just going to add apostrophe S. When it's 2 nouns that share something, like Mindy and Tom's car, you only put apostrophe S on the second noun. Now, for plural nouns, again, that's meaning more than one, okay? Most nouns usually end in an S. So boxes, boys, animals, for those you just add an apostrophe. For plurals that don't end in S, so your normal irregular ones like women, children, geese, aircraft, you just put an apostrophe S. When 2 nouns don't share something, each of them get their own apostrophe S. Okay, so let's look through and go through each of these in depth. So, with singular possessive nouns, most of your singular nouns, you just add apostrophe S. The apostrophe is this little comma that's above the last letter before the S, okay? So it's a little comma in the air. Make sure it's high up, okay? You attach it to the letter before the S. Even if a letter, as long as it's singular, even if it's singular and it ends in an S, you're still going to do apostrophe S. So let's look at our examples. So we have the girl's doll. So girl apostrophe S. Mario's green backpack. So again, Mario apostrophe S. Arkansas's biggest mountain. Okay, so look at this is one. Arkansas ends with an S, but you still do apostrophe S because Arkansas is singular. It's one state. Okay? Arkansas's biggest mountain. Now, singular possessives, when 2 nouns share, you are going to add apostrophe S after the second noun only. So again, that apostrophe S is only after the second noun, and that shows the person that they're sharing. So here's your example. Mindy and Tom's car. So it's not just Tom's car, it's Mindy and Tom's car. Then we have Kyle and Corey's treehouse. So they are sharing those items. So it's Corey and Kyle's treehouse, they share it. Now when it's a plural possessive noun, most plural possessive nouns, you just add an apostrophe to the end because it usually ends in an S. Okay, so like the word boys, that's an existing word. You're just going to do apostrophe at the end of it. Okay, so let's look at our examples. So there's no apostrophe S, just apostrophe. So after the fight, the boys' team was disqualified. But look it, this isn't the boy as in singular, right? When we have boys with an S at the end and you do apostrophe, this means all the boys on that team, a group of boys. If I did it the other way, it would just be one boy, but this is showing more than one because it's boys apostrophe. All of the trucks' tires needed to be replaced. So I'm not talking about one, I'm talking about all of the trucks. So maybe I'm in a parking lot, all of those trucks in that parking lot, their tires need to be replaced. So this shows that this one is plural. You see apostrophe and apostrophe shows plural and possessive. Plural possessive nouns. When 2 plurals do not share something, you're going to add apostrophe S after each of the nouns, and that shows deliberately that they're their own items. Even if you're talking about the same item, they're 2 different items. So here's our example. Mindy's and Tom's cars collided. Okay, so in this one, when we have apostrophe S, so Mindy's or Mandy's and then Tom's, that's showing that Mandy's car and then Tom's car collided. So each of their cars collided into each other. So they're not sharing. Then we have Kyle's and Corey's treehouse had ladders. So Kyle's treehouse had a ladder and Corey's treehouse had a ladder. All right, so it's showing that they each have their own. So remember, I should have said this in the beginning. We have plural, which is when you're making it more than one. This is not making it more than one. This is showing who possesses it. Who does it belong to? Okay, so possessive means it's mine, it's yours, it's his, it's hers. Okay, this chapstick is mine. These chapsticks are ours. Okay, you're taking possession of it. It is yours. Okay, that's the difference between the two. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and post this for you, and go ahead and watch it as many times as you want. It's super short, and hopefully this helps. If you're looking at the singular plural, the singular possessive one, most of those notes are already done on there. It's the possessive ones that you just need to mark in. Okay, I hope this helps. Reach out if you need help. Thanks, guys. Bye.